everybody, I'm here to do a review on YBE TV business setup. I reached out to the company because I am starting my own business, and with the starting of my business I needed a website, I needed a phone number, and I need to get my plan going. Once I reached out to the company, the first question they asked me was, well, what is it that you're looking for? What kind of audience are you trying to target? We had several discussions just to kind of get to the bottom line of what it was I was looking for. Very professional, very courteous, very nice. It was a all-around great experience. The first thing we did do was the phone number. I believe we did first. Nice, great setup. He called me every step of the way. Hey, listen to this, listen to this, listen to this. Let me know any problems. Let me know. Don't hesitate to call me. First, the phone number. So once we did the phone number, this is how the phone number turned out.
Thank you for calling AF Properties and Construction. For quotes or estimates, press 1. If you're an existing customer and have any questions or need to schedule an inspection, press 2. For billing and accounts payable, press 3. For all other questions or concerns, please hold and an agent will be with you shortly.
So once I approved the phone number, the next step was the website. So the website, he gave me some insight on, if you're trying to target this, then you want to do this. If you want to lay out like this, then maybe we can do this. Because I am new to the business, so it was a lot of communication. And once I got my website, very pleased, looked very professional. The guys over there, they are awesome. I couldn't be more happier with my website. And here's a look at my website. So you see all the work and you're probably thinking to yourself, oh, that's probably gonna be really pricey. She probably paid a lot of money. No, it was very affordable, very reasonable. And for the work that I got in return, my return value is beyond expectations. The number one question people ask when you're, reviewing something, would you recommend them to your friends and family? Yes, I recommend it to my friends, my family, my grandma, any and everybody, because it was a very professional time, very nice. If I had to do it all over again, I would definitely choose them, and I would definitely be recommending them to you yourself and to all my friends and family. Exceeded expectations.
Drug dealing and killing is going on in my town. It don't take a killer to kill or a driller to drill. She just being yourself is the definition of real.